Assalamualaikum. I have here chicken thighs and drumstick. Let's do Nashville hot chicken. First thing, we do our spice mix. 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. We will mix all this. We will divide this in 3 parts. This goes to our chicken and mix. I have here 2 cups of flour, put salt. To our canola oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 part of our hot mix. Buttermilk with a little hot sauce. Our chicken to flour first, and then to buttermilk. Lastly to our flour. Now we fry. We drizzle it with a little hot oil. Then sprinkle it with 1/3 part of our spice. Our homemade Nashville hot chicken. Enjoy guys! Enjoy!